Hello everyone and welcome. I am Philip the TrueTech Dad, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean toothbrush. Motorized toothbrush, battery powered. We're going to get this open to see what's in here. So here we go. Now if you've been looking for a toothbrush, all the dentists are talking about how these motorized toothbrushes are the best to have. So let's see here. Let's see what's in here. Alright, right out the box here. I'll put this over here. Okay. Now it looks like we got some instructions and warranty, registration stuff here. And let's see what we got here. Alright, so it looks like we got some brush heads here, 3 of them here. Then we have a separate one, different color. These are 3 white ones and 1 black one here. Not sure what's the difference here. This, I guess you could say, is the toothbrush body. So pretty cool. Nice. I got the blacked out edition. Alright. So they give you a glass here. It says Philips Sonicare. Then in the box here, it was on top of there. Looks like a little charging station. Guess it fits on there. There we go. Then, not sure what this is right here, but it may be a cap. Not sure. No, it's not a cap. But it looks like it may be just a stand. There we go. It's another stand. So you can either, can it go on there? I guess you can charge it like that, or just a stand. I'm not really sure yet. Or I guess you can put this in here like this. Maybe it charges like that. So what else we had? We got a case. Comes with a case. Carrying case. Looks like this will fit in here. Just like that. And I'm going to take one of these out here. Alright. I guess you put your, there it is. That'll go in there like that and not really fit in there. I guess you gotta press it down in there. There we go. There we go. And then you have another one if you want to put another one in there. So, little carrying case for it. That's pretty nice. And looks like we got 2 more brush heads here. They look a little different from these. They're all basically somewhat different. On here, we've got just Philips Sonicare. And on these, it says bottom here C1. And on here, I've got S. So I'm not really sure what actually it's for, but let's go ahead and turn it on, see what it does. Okay, there we go. See if there's some power on this thing. Okay, slides on, slides off. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Oh, it even lights up here. It says clean. Press the button again. Well, oh, it all lights up with clean, white, sensitive, gum care, and deep clean. So I'm not really sure how you switch. Oh, if you tap it for white, it goes there. Okay, you can cycle through all the settings here. For sensitive, gum care, and deep clean. I can't wait to try this out. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna try to do like a before after of like a week or whatever time frame. Then I guess that will put this cover back on here. I guess that'll sit in there and charge. I'm actually not sure yet. But what I'll do, if I can get enough likes, I'll do a review video on this. And I'm going to try this out. I'll get a review video up soon. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'm going to do a review video, and what we'll do is I'll answer all those questions for you in that review video. So please, leave some comments, like, share it, and hopefully you like this. If you like this video, please press that like button. And if you're new to this channel, I got many videos coming for you. So press that subscribe button and more videos will be coming. So check out my previous videos also. You'll like them. Again, I am Phil, the True Tech Dad. Thanks for watching.